everyone, here is another wonderful book, The Rain Stomper by Adi Boswell. The Rain Stomper. On the first day of spring, Jasmine flipped out of bed. She twirled her baton. She swirled in her new red suit. Today was the day of the big parade. Look, March 21st. All the children in the block would join in. Dancers, drummers, cheerleaders, dogs. Jasmine could already hear the neighbours cheering and the tat-tat-tat-tat, boom! Look, she's swirling her baton for the parade. A lot of good stories have a problem, and she's looking as if there is a problem. Jasmine threw open the front door. Wind whistled through her hair. Thunder rumbled the ground, and the sun scuttled behind the clouds. The sky twisted into a thick black coil. Oh dear. Slap, clatter, clatter, slap. Rain poured down in buckets. That's not really in buckets, but it's as if big buckets of water are tipped. Boom, walla boom, boom. Thunder rattled the bricks in the walls. Clink, clink, whoosh. The wind plunged her family back into their beds. Even the weeds slunk back into the earth. Jasmine hated the rain. It ruined parades. It silenced the horns and the drums. It tripped up the drummers and the dogs, and it soaked the new red suits. Wonder what she's feeling. Mud puddler, Jasmine muttered. Tap, tippity tap tap. Cloud crusher, she complained. Clack, clickety clack. Parade wrecker, she rumbled. Tat, rattle, rattle, tat. Hey, I love these words. She muttered, she complained, she rumbled. I better try it again in a boring way. Mud puddler, Jasmine said. Cloud crasher, she said. Parade wrecker, she said. No. Muttered, complained, and rumbled are such good words. Boom, walla boom boom, the rain roared. Bang, walla bang bang, the rain crashed. Bam, walla, bam bash, the rain bellowed. Bellowed is when you shout. Boom, walla boom, walla walla boom. Jasmine stepped onto her stoop. She lifted her baton and shook it. She's sending a message up to the rain, the clouds and the sky. Slap, clatter, clatter, slap. Rain slapped against the sidewalk. Boom, walla boom. Thunder rattled on the windows. Bam, walla bam bash. Jasmine shook her fist and she stomped her feet. I wish I had some musical instruments with me when I was reading this book to you. Clatter, clatter, slap. She kicked the rain down her steps. Splish, splish, whack. She splashed it down the sidewalk. She chased the rain onto the street. I am Jasmine, the rain stomper, she yelled. Jasmine stomped. Jasmine splashed. Jasmine skipped and shouted until ... Suspense. Children peered from their doorways. I guess they heard her. Their feet tapped. Kaplop, plop, plop. Their hands clapped. Kaplunk, plunk, plunk. I think they're joining her in being a rain stomper. Splash some more, rain stomper, they shouted. Splash higher, rain stomper, they yelled. Stomp bigger, Jasmine. I think they're encouraging her, don't you? I wonder what is going to happen. Jasmine splashed more and higher and bigger. She spun, this is spinning, and shook. She even rat-a-tap-tapped, rat-a-tap-tapped. Oh my goodness, did it work? The sun peeked out and beamed, the puddles shimmied, and the children cheered. Did you predict that was going to happen? Now that that has happened, what can all these children and Jasmine do today? More children poured out of their houses. They stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted. Children flooded the street. Even weeds came out. Can you see the weeds? They're coming through the pavement because they don't have a garden to grow in. And so it was Jasmine, the rain stomper, and her parade of puddle splashes out-stomped the rain. Can you read this together with me? Wow. Slap, clatter, bam, bash, boom, walla, bang, crash. Maybe I'll try it another way. Slap, clatter, bam, bash, boom, walla, bang, crash. Or I could start very quiet and get louder. Slap, clatter, bam, bash, boom, walla, bang, crash. There are so many ways to read this. I wonder what everyone thought of Jasmine after this. I wonder how they felt about Jasmine and how Jasmine felt. Something to think about.